After 2 days of closing arguments, the jurors in the Jodi Arias trial have the case and a huge decision to make. Mary Ellen Resendez closely watching the defense and the prosecution as they made their final pushes today. And Mary Ellen, break down what happened here.
You know, Steve, jurors have about 3 charges, but actually 5 options before them. But Prosecutor Juan Martinez and defense attorney Kirk Nurmi are really only asking them to consider 2 of those 3 charges. And those charges couldn't be more polar opposites from each other. The prosecution is asking for first-degree murder, and later on they want that death penalty charge, while the defense alleges Travis Alexander was killed in the heat of passion. And if accused murderer Jodi Arias is guilty of anything, it's manslaughter. The closing arguments that the defense made told jurors that the prosecution premeditation claims just did not make sense because accused murderer Jodi Arias would never have left a paper trail if that was her plan.
A debit card. That can be traced. Gee whiz, that doesn't make any sense if you're on a covert mission, does it? And of course, she kept the receipts. Well, that doesn't make any sense if you're on a covert mission.
Yes, every part of her trip was documented, except the part where she came to Arizona. That one was not documented. Everything having to do with Arizona was erased.
Now, jurors will meet every day from 9 to 4:30 until they have a verdict. And they have a tough question before them. They have to decide if Jodi Arias is a murderer or if she's a victim of Travis Alexander.
Yeah, and they know that if they decide on first degree, it could mean the death penalty as well. Thanks, Mary Ellen.